Hello, I'm Maura Carley, founder and president of Healthcare Navigation, and this is my second video this afternoon devoted to a drug topic. And although I really don't want to spend time talking about Wegovy and Ozempic, that my staff have been thrown into dealing with those new weight loss drugs is what prompted me to search for a related but distinct topic. I mean, the headlines are quite dramatic. Ozempic and Wegovy spark a gold rush for drug makers, and they are indeed expensive drugs. And then another front news story, employers cut off insurance coverage for obesity drugs. So some of this is reporting, but some of what is being written is likely premature for drugs that have not been available for all that long. And that's why I just wanted to remind people of history. There are times when the situation is such that a rush to produce a life-saving drug like the COVID vaccine is very wise. And there are times when the rush is not appropriate. And it wasn't that long ago that Purdue Pharma was convincing many, many, many Americans to take painkillers for their chronic aches and pains, and we see how poorly that turned out. But if you go back in time, and I think many people remember the word thalidomide, but it's an amazing story, and it's amazing that the FDA did such a good job in protecting Americans from the hazards and tragedy of that drug. You know, if you just go back to, just do a simple research and look at Wikipedia, in the late 50s and early 60s, the use of thalidomide in 46 countries by women who were pregnant or who subsequently became pregnant resulted in the biggest man-made medical disaster ever, with more than 10,000 children born with a range of severe deformities, as well as thousands of miscarriages. And it's a woman named Frances Oldham Kelsey at the FDA and others at the FDA who really prevented a similar tragedy in the U.S. There were still babies that were born with deformities because things were more casual back then, and physician offices could get drugs for distribution. But the FDA refused approval to market thalidomide, and that really protected pregnant women from and their unborn babies from the ravages of this drug. So I'm going to put the link to Frances Oldham Kelsey's information in our email copy. Fabulous career. I was happy to see she made the Women's History Museum in DC. And just a spectacular career with the FDA, which underscores how important ethical, committed public servants are to protect us. So thank you for listening. And I really don't want to say any more about these newer drugs until there's more to say. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.